Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix. The price line of pundix broke out the resistance of the bearish pennant, and I showed you this move in my previous video as well. And this was the bearish pennant, and so far you can see that the price line has rallied well up to $1.90, but this move is still due. That is the target of this bearish pennant up to $2.15. And in today's video, I want to show you another expected breakout that can lead the price line to hit this sell target, or maybe the price line will break out this level as well. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on a daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this bearish pennant. And when I shared my last video with you on 1st of October, that time the price line was just breaking out here on this candlestick, breaking out the resistance of this bearish pennant, and I told you that we can expect a move up to this tail of this falling wedge, this bearish pennant, that is approximately at $2.15. So far the price line has rallied up to $1.90, and I'm expecting that soon after this correction the price line will move up again and hit this sell target. But this move can also lead to a very big rally as well. First of all, let me show you this Ichimoku cloud here on the daily time frame, and this is really very important. This Ichimoku cloud plays a very important part in a bearish or bullish trend. For example, right now the price line is below the bearish cloud. In order to be bullish and to start a very strong bullish trend, like it started here but it was failed and moved down again, we need to be above this cloud. And if we switch to this same daily time frame chart again, then here, and by the way, this Ichimoku cloud which I am showing you is also on the daily time frame. Okay, here we also have a very nice support line that the price line is not breaking down, and the price action has found this support line back here. On 22nd of June, we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and we had the next bounce here. And for a while, the price action broke down the support, and while breaking out this resistance of the bearish pennant, the price line again moved above this resistance level, this support line, and right now we are again above this support line on the daily time frame. Now if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then stochastic is in oversold zone. And previously we can see that whenever the price line was reaching at the support, for example here, the stochastic was oversold, the price line had a nice rally, the price line again moved at the support, stochastic entered the oversold zone, we had a very big rally, and here we again had this action by the stochastic and price line, and right now the price action is very close to test this support line, and the stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. But here the price line on the 4-hourly time frame chart has also formed this symmetrical triangle, and it is very close to break out this resistance or break down the support. I'm expecting that it can break out the resistance. This was a nice attempt, but while retesting the previous resistance as a support, it has moved down, and the reason is that the price line on the daily time frame is also forming a head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see that this is the left shoulder, this is head, and the formation of the right shoulder is in process, and this will be the neckline. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, then our next target as per this head and shoulder will be $2.54. And if we will have, definitely we are going to have a breakout from this triangle as well. If we are going to break out the head and shoulder, then our imminent target as per this small triangle will be, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be $1.58. And now if we watch this Ichimoku cloud again, then in order to cross up this Ichimoku cloud, the price line needs to cross this level that is approximately $1.67. So this head and shoulder pattern right now is very important, and even this small triangle is also very important, because if the price line breaks out this triangle, that will lead the price line to break out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as well, and this move will lead the price line to move above and break out this resistance of the bearish cloud on the daily time frame chart as well. And then we can expect a very strong move, very strong long-term bullish rally, because this Ichimoku cloud can work as a very long-term support for the price line. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.